Naki marjot syaka jing maramot bat di peteng yaki beladap di teng. Kedukan RPS Hashnong Saiden kebatlum bat senapan bahaya kitiar rim. Pila abanyo yaki mar second hand kitiar kali kitiar ying bat kiwei. Wat berpatar lumba ya kitiar wan ai syangi ngin pan bahaya ki. Haga jingwat ikilat gilanti ban peniat yaki kali kumba shipor arpor. Nakawai pat kejaka kat badang gile ban senapan bahaya ke Jingkieng dam hapung umyam haripo district kamtam hakinagi khendiat sengi ki bak Sorkar kala penkre ban Khang no shisendon ban nom sha shu yaki kali ban yat najrong jong ke Jingkieng ka bamenta ki bor Sorkar kidang ailat ban yat tang Shillong. Menteri Sorkar beripet ya ketenat sambording hapo ke jela U80 mondal ulaong ba ketenat sambording bat ketenat PWD lembat kiwi ketenat Sorkar jong jela kidang yele ban wat jaka ban tei surok thamai ban peniaso ya ke East Khasi Hills district bat ke Bhoi district Henry klempat batai syair na kanu kaliang on sina ye ketika surok ke bathamai namar kumba kalong kham mensyua ketenat PWD kala jengmut ban tei de ke Jingkieng thamai ka ban mi sajan nerupak Henry na kaliang jong Geological Survey of India kala Pyntip bakam long shnganya kene kadam bantai jingtei thamai hagine gi banta kawa umyam Shushu menteri ulai tu baula syong bun gi jingilang bat ketenat PWD ha ke jingilam jong sumbut menteri rangba ke jela uba perstun tensong banwat ikilat kelanti kumno banyo surok thamai ban pelat yagi kali ban yat nalor ke Jingkieng dam ka bamenta kene ke Jingkieng kadang don hapeneng jong ke jing maramon.
This will be happening in the month of March. As for lowering of the bridge, I can't say the exact date now. It will depend after completion of the work, we will lower the bridge. Before that, we will be sitting with our technical committee and also we'll be sitting with the coordination committee and we'll apprise the state cabinet also that we are taking up this work, though cabinet knows, but the entire program will be apprising the cabinet also.
And then first week, second week?
Yeah, I'm thinking that within 15th we'll be able to do it.
15th of
March.
And in
Traffic, as I told you earlier also, usually what will happen on the day of lifting the bridge, around 4 to 8 hours, the entire bridge will be closed down. There will be no thoroughfare as far the vehicular traffic is concerned through the bridge. After it is lifted and kept in a particular height, then we'll put ramp on both sides of the bridge and allow the passage of light vehicles and so also ambulance and all these things through the bridge. We'll be not allowing any heavy vehicles. There will be complete closure of the heavy vehicles. Lower the bridge and all retrofitting work is completed.
what is the
It
percentage?
is going on because percentage wise, see, we are now doing only 50% of the dam. So after completing the 50% of the dam, we will again open this site and then we will be doing the same work on the other side which is now open to traffic. We sat with PWD also and PWD department under the leadership of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister is exploring all ways and means to see that an alternative road comes. Accordingly, proposal was there through the upstream of this dam that one bridge can come through the upstream of the dam. But then Geological Survey of India, when their opinion has been sought, they told that no, you should not go for any construction because this will there will be lots of probability of damage in the dam structure. Even downstream also same thing. Now I think PWD has found an alternative route and through which new bridges or road will be constructed.
Where is